Hi guys, this is Rajiv Nedungadi here, and today I'm going to unbox the Ultra HD Blu-ray and digital code set limited edition steelbook of Raiders of the Lost Ark, one of the Indiana Jones movie. This seems to have only the 4K, no Blu-ray, but that's fine. I have the Blu-ray set already. So let's have a look at what we see here. Okay, so it doesn't say anything about the audio. It says Ultra HD Blu-ray discs with will only play on Ultra HD players. Okay, 1981 color, 115 minutes, and okay, English Dolby Atmos, French 5.1, subtitles English and French. Code valid only to 2024. Okay, so I will just open this up and see. I don't see any further information, no special features on this one. Then why is it called as a limited edition steelbook? Okay, so here is the back. Here is the back of the steelbook. I'm just going to open this up. Okay. Let me remove this so that I can show it to you. Okay. So here is the disc, and here is the artwork inside, and here is the outside artwork. Okay, I think it's clear now. The glare is not there. Right, so let's see what is there inside this. This looks like a poster to me. Yeah, it's the poster. Okay, this is the poster actually. Let me just take the camera here. So this is the poster that they have added with this. Okay, so guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, please click on like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.